in this video I'm going to show you guys a shortcut to take a screenshot on Acer. So to do this, you just need to tap on this Windows here, and then you move to this one which is Juke here, something like that, and you take a screenshot, something like that. So let me do it once again. So screenshot taken. So now let's move to our screen to see this. So now let me move here. Good, and you can see screenshot here, screenshot 11 here. Now let me tap on that, and you can see there's the screenshots there. So that's it on how to take a screenshot on your Acer. The keyboard is a bit very much weird. Acer keyboard is very weird. So that's it. If you use the normal shortcuts to do it, you're not going to get it. So that's it on how to do this. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. So that's it for the video. Peace.